First and foremost, on behalf of the CS, and under instructions from the CS, he passes the condolences to any parent, any relative, anybody who has lost one of their own beloved ones over the issues of abductions. He, as a parent, as a father, understands the pain of losing a child, and therefore he passes his condolences to those ones who lost their lives and those ones who are associated with those ones who lost their lives. 2, he condemns very seriously any form of extrajudicial actions or extra legal actions taken either by government agencies or by any other criminal involved in the abductions that has hit the nation for the last 2-3 months. Third, as a renowned lawyer and a believer in the rule of law, Kipchumba Murkomen has a new policy that he will be implementing as he has taken over the office of the Cabinet Secretary from the 19th of December.
For starters, we as a council do not in any way support abductions that are happening in the country. Those abductions are not in the forte of the Cabinet Secretary Interior, and with reason. If you look at Article 153 or 54 thereabouts, which forms the Cabinet can only give guidance to the instruments or to the apparatus that have been formed by the President or the Constitution to run the affairs of governance of this country, and that must be in writing. The CS Interior was appointed into this docket on the 19th of December to be at the helm of this docket. Before, he was in the sports docket.